Hello everyone. If you haven't visited a tea house in Chengdu, can you really say that you experienced the city? I don't think so. But there is something you might not know about tea houses here, that they are not just about tea, but way more. And to show that, I thought I will take you to this place, which became really popular on social media recently. So yeah, let's have a look.
A tea house is a miniature Chengdu, and Chengdu itself is a giant tea house. The lifestyle, temperament, and urban character of the city are all reflected within a single tea house. From ancient times to today, tea houses have been more than places to drink tea. They are crossroads of Chengdu's unique culture and social life.
Chengdu folks love their tea. And it's not about just drinking it, it's about this atmosphere, this lively vibe that happens around it, fun, friends, all together. It's enjoyed by people of all ages. And the tea shops here, I think, are just as old as Chengdu itself. So this place have even more interesting history, because before this building was a lacquerware factory, and now it has changed.
The Chengdu Lacquer Art Factory was established in 1954, and the workshop that now houses this tea house was built in 1975. As one of the earliest lacquerware traditions in China, and even in the world, Chengdu lacquer art can be traced back to the Shang and Zhou dynasties, more than 3,500 years ago.
Next to the tea house, there is this unique area that displays a lot of cool lacquerware items, where black, red and gold mix together, they're glooming softly, almost feel like they're trying to tell the story, the old story of this factory.
One cannot help but admire the wisdom of ancient Chinese craftsmen. They discovered the secrets of the lacquer tree early on. When the bark is cut, the sap that flows out has remarkable adhesive strength, making it ideal for repairing objects. Combined with mineral pigments of different colors, it could be transformed into vibrant lacquer, bringing brilliance and color into everyday life.
你好。你好。请问一下，这个都是成都七七站的作品吗？
对，是我们厂全部老师纯手工制作的。但是我们成都漆器呢，它其实是有一个3000多年的历史。我们的代表性工艺有4个：雕银丝光、雕花填彩、雕漆引花以及拉刀针刻。就比如说你手上看的这个，其实是我们彩绘的工艺，手绘画上去的。
哇，真的好看。
如果你很感兴趣的话，我们可以上3楼，还可以手工体验。
真的吗？哇。Here is a dedicated workshop area, or how they call it, the experience area, where you can test your craftsmanship skills and try to make your own lacquerware. Something practical maybe, like these chopsticks for your household, or a teacup, or maybe something with a deeper meaning, like this Sichuanese hulu that is meant to bring you luck. So I'm going to try this one.
你好，你选好了吗？
对，我想做这个。
好，那我们就开始来做今天的这个葫芦的体验。葫芦呢，先摆到我们这个桌面上。最开始完成的这个步骤呢，叫做打磨。
First we work on a texture. Right now it's very rough. If you look at it closely, it doesn't look anything like this.
Yeah.
And we have to polish it.
很多人觉得这个打磨漆器是一个非常解压的一个过程。一件漆器的好坏，我们师傅经常说是3分靠刷，7分靠磨。所以打磨的这个重要程度完全不亚于就是我们刷漆的这个过程。
Quite interesting, yeah. It's like meditation for sure. Will take some time because this is just the first one.
基本上用这个600的呢，你磨个3到5分钟，把每个地方都打磨到了的话，我们就可以切换到下一张800的砂纸了。
可以放吗？
可以了。
Next one. Next one. The last one.
磨起来是非常非常就是平整的一个状态。那我们 打磨到这儿就结束了，把上面的这个水渍擦干，来进行下一个推光的这个步骤。
And now I'm trying to make it glow and shine because after we dried it, it looked very pale. But now with this powder, it's supposed to bring back the shine.
我们的这个车间里面的师傅他因为这个常年累月的做推光这样的动作，那他这个地方的掌纹都非常非常浅有的甚至就已经看不见。推光这个步骤就已经完成了，大家可以看到，就是这个葫芦的话也变得非常非常亮了。那接下来的话，我把它的绳子给它系上，然后您就可以带走了。
哇
What looks like simple polishing actually requires steady, even pressure and the constant replacement of sandpaper until the surface becomes smooth as a mirror. As the fingertips touch the delicate texture of the lacquer, it feels as if time dissolves, allowing a silent dialogue with the master craftsmen who once devoted themselves to their work in this very factory.
Here you go, what do you think? My masterpiece. I got to admit, this process is quite time consuming and it might be hard to focus for so long, I thought, but actually once you're in the process, you just forget about the time. It looks very traditional, very Chinese, but in the end, honestly timeless. Very good. The only problem, I'm a bit hungry now. And the teacher told me there are some local restaurants downstairs. He suggested me to try them. And I think it's just perfect because I don't need to go anywhere, So let's go to try them out now.
A staff member told me that this is a century-old, time-honored brand. Its warm, everyday atmosphere perfectly complements the deep sense of time embedded in the old factory building. Tea and snacks have always been inseparable companions in the lives of Chengdu people.
I mean, if you come to Chengdu, you have to try noodles. And these ones are really good because it's spicy, it's numbing, but it also has a lot of tofu inside and it's very light, smooth, it's like melting in your mouth. And would you think that this is a tea shop? Like, it's offering so much more than just tea. Chengdu is all about that. Don't miss it.
Tea leaves unfurl in the gaiwan, teacup. Flavors bloom on the palate, and lacquer art flows through the fingertips. Here, the industrial texture of an old factory and the living genes of intangible cultural heritage coexist, giving new life to the enduring warmth of everyday living. It is like a microcosm, reflecting a city's reverence for tradition and its courage to innovate